All right, welcome back. So I have the downloads folder open. This works on Mac and PC. So if you open up the downloads folder, double click on the icon, we're going to install the Creative Cloud app. So I'm going to double click on it. And if you're on Windows, it's going to walk you through a wizard to install the application. Okay, so I'm going to continue. It's going to ask me for my system password on a Mac. Okay. If I type it in correctly, it'll work. Okay. And I'm going to skip the question here. Skip the question, and I'm going to let this run. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and once we get to the end of this, then we will continue on. Okay. All right, welcome back. So we've successfully installed Adobe Creative Cloud. Now what I want to do is I want to open up the application so I can show you, and I have it in another window here, so let me bring that over. Okay. And so what you can see here is it's displaying all the applications available in the plan that we signed up for with the 7-day free trial, which again, if you're watching this currently in May 2021, then it would expire 7 days after whenever you signed up. Okay, just to let you know. But you can see the available plans here, right? All the apps that are available on the plan. Okay, so that's how you install Creative Cloud, the application for the desktop. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.